Hey, it's Julio Sanchez here with Remax. This time we're showing you our newest listing in the city of Moreno Valley. This property is located on the Moreno Valley Ranch, a beautiful community that offers a lake, pool, a spa, gym, and then this property is also located nearby schools, the RCC Moreno Valley campus, and some shopping centers around the corner. This property, like I said, offers 3-bedroom, 2-bath. The property was recently renovated with carpet paint, all brand new double pane windows, and a brand new AC or air conditioning unit. So why don't we take a look at it?